It's a box. All right, I'm just too damn excited. Let's get this shit going. All right, so as most of you know, I got the partial just in time for first squared. God, it seems like it was ages ago. Anyway, his body's finally done. I'm so excited. Lego. Does this shit up? Assume so. So how's self-quarantine going for everybody? The suspense. Yep. I'm good at that. I see wings. I see wings. Yes, I like the suspense though. Fur. The extra fur. Ain't much left. She's good at estimating, apparently. That's more fur. Oh, zippers. Oh, that's nice. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? What's it say? Oh, okay. Animal Crossing. Wait. Oh, lots of Animal Crossing. All right. Is he ready? I think he's ready. It's so cool. Look at the beads. He is a carrot. Glorious carrot. You got his frosting. Ooh, so squish. God, I can't believe it's been like almost a year and a half since I've last full suit. This shit's crazy. Oh, and then the duct tape dummies in the box. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. All right. Well, shit, let's get this show on the road. Ooh. Ooh. Here's the foot, though. There's the foot. So warm. Nah. I'll survive. Oh, wait. I already did the thing and forgot the tail. Luckily, that won't be an issue in a short period of time. Because the tail won't get attached. Where's the belt? Where's the belt? Whee! All right. All right, moment of truth. Yes! She fits! Woo! Oh, it's so wonderful. I know gonna be so warm. Yeah. Oh wait, I already answered that. Yeah, this tail's definitely gonna have to be attached. Oh, I'm so thick. Ah, it's so cool! Let me see if I can tilt it down here so you can see the shape. Look at that shape. It's perfect. Yes. The feet are wonderful. All right. Oh, almost forgot the baklava. Baklava. Well, that's gonna have to get fixed. Yes, it is surreal. I'm so happy. He looks like the ref. Oh, and he's so soft in the belly. Good old teddy fur. Ooh, he fits so good. Oh my gosh. Ah! That's so cool! Buddy, come and see this. Uh-huh. Say hi, Dad. Hi. Ah, yes. Ah!
Oh my god, that is awesome.
Ah!
That is really cool, bud.
I'm so happy! Ah, it's so cool! I think the wait was worth it. Ah! See? Tail's proportional to the body. Rave party? Oh, but the lights are upstairs. Ah, it ain't so bad. Okay, maybe give it an hour and then I'll say I'm hot. But the ventilation is really nice. I could stay in for probably an hour, probably, initially, I think. I don't know. Ah, it's so cool! And it's so light. Ah. Ah! Am I cute yet? Who could watch this all night? Anyone? Ah, no, it's so cool! Ah. Look at the floof. Floof. Ah! You know, I've made my own suits, but there's nothing like commissioning a suit and then getting it finally. Like, This is... Ah! Ah! I'm so cute! I know! I know I'm cute. I mean... Okay, it's not that soft to fall in. Needs more padding. Nah, it's perfect. It's perfect! Ah! Do you want attention? I want attention. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, Twitter's over there. I gotta say hi to them too. Hi, Twitter! Ah. Alright. A little warm. But ah! That's so cool! Ah. Now I really want to attach the tail so it does get the complete look. Yeah, I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'll stitch it all up and make him complete! Ah! Do you like the little waddle towards the camera? I like the little waddle towards the camera. I've only done it like 4 times now. Ah! Alright. Am I just making a fool of myself now, or am I just being adorable? Who the fuck knows? Count that as time number 5. Yeah, let me turn it more this way so you get a more full. Wait. Let me make him. Oh shit. Let's see if I can put this on without taking the claws off. I don't think it's gonna work, but oh, his wingies. His wingies ain't gonna fit. But you get the point. I'll modify it eventually so that I can actually do this shit. But in the meantime, that's what you get. Half on, half off. Right? Ah! It's stuck. It's stuck. Ah! Ha-ha! Magic! Ah! Never had true wings before. That's so cool! Ah! I'll fly! Damn it, why do all the cons have to be canceled? I'm reminding myself of that. That's okay. They'll be back on again soon. Right? Somebody reassure me that they'll be back soon. Does anyone want to reassure me that the cons are going to be back? Anyone? No? You're just going to leave me here all hanging? Who left? There were 5 of you. Who left? I will hunt you down. The cuteness will hunt you down. Oh, it was Wowie? That who left? I think that's who left. I really gotta practice my squeaking. Dab on the haters, they say. He really does a cute dab, doesn't he? Wait. Yeah, I can't floss. It just don't work. Work? All right. No dabbing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Dab now, dab now. Oh God, I'm gonna make a parody, aren't I? Ah. All right. Illegal? Not cute yet? God, I'm like the neediest thing right now. Ah, I'm so glad he came though. It really brought a light to my week. After all the shit that's been happening. Alrighty. That's gonna take some getting used to again. Oh, that's what broke. Well, this fur though, it's so pretty. It's the perfect fur. Just look at the. It's hard to see. Video just doesn't do this shit justice. It really doesn't. But 2.5 years waiting, it was well frickin' worth it. Oh, there's nobody watching over here anymore. All right. I guess you guys are the only ones I need to pay attention to anymore. Wait, how do Digi work? Like, floof. Floof. All right. I'm going to get off before I do something stupider. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a good night and stay safe out there, and hopefully we'll be able to see each other in person again soon. Bye!